quiz is on two chapters. They are heredity and evolution and management of natural resources. So I think this is gonna be interesting class. And the science quiz. Parents transmit some of the characteristics into their offsprings. How?
Ma'am, the transmission of characters from parents to offsprings occurs via inheritance or heredity.
Genes are the unit of inheritance. What makes them necessary for all organisms?
Ma'am, genes are the carrier of the genetic information from one generation to another. They ensure the passage of important adaptations and modifications to the next generation.
Inheritance or heredity is possible because of a certain factor present in organisms. What is it?
Ma'am, gene is the unit of inheritance which consists of a linear segment of DNA in the chromosome. It takes part in expressing a particular character.
Reproduction leads to variation. How?
Ma'am, sexual reproduction involves the fusion of male and female gametes which leads to the mixing of characters of parents, thus causes variations in characters.
In any population, no two individuals are absolutely similar. Why?
Ma'am, variations occur in the genes of organisms produced due to the mutations, reshuffling of genes and inheritance of acquired traits during the evolutionary process which make all individuals different from one another.
What is the cause of variation in asexually reproducing organisms?
Ma'am, environmental factors and mutations.
What indication do we get by the reappearance of dwarf plant in F2 generation?
Ma'am, after obtaining progeny in F2 generation in a dihybrid cross, Mendel concluded that when two pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid, one pair of the character segregates independently of the other pair of character.
How many pairs of chromosomes are present in human beings?
Ma'am, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes present in human beings.
Give an example where sex is determined by environmental factors.
Ma'am, in snail, sex is determined by environmental factors, that is, temperature.
In the human females, the gametes formed have X chromosomes in all. Give reason.
Ma'am, human females have two X chromosomes. At the times of gamete formation in meiosis, only one of these X chromosomes enter the gamete, thus ensuring possession of X chromosome in all the gametes.
Why is it that the unit of evolution is population, not the individual?
Ma'am, population is a group of one species that inhabits a particular area, individuals of which can interbreed. Evolution is considered only if such a group of species or individuals shows a common advanced trait, not a single individual showing an evolved trait.
In a beetle population, the number of green beetles is more than blue and red beetles. Give a reason behind this situation.
Ma'am, it is because of natural selection.
State one of the evolutionary forces leading to the origin of a new species according to the Darwin theory of evolution.
Ma'am, Darwin hypothesized that evolution took place due to natural selection.
An organism, which is a worm, has very simple eyes that are really eye spots which detect light. Name that organism.
Ma'am, planaria.
Let's start the quiz on the next chapter, that is management of natural resources. How is the increase in demand for energy affecting atmosphere?
Ma'am, increased consumption of fossil fuels releases a lot of polluting gases, some of which are causing global warming and also producing acid rain.
Instead of using gas, an alternative A can be used to cook food which does not require any fuel. However, this alternative cannot work at night. Identify A.
Ma'am, solar cooker is the alternative of using gas or any fuel for cooking. It can easily cook pulses, vegetables and rice but requires the presence of sunlight.
Give an example to show that exploitation of resources lead to pollution.
Ma'am, mining causes pollution because of the large amount of slag formed which is discarded for even ton of metal extracted. This discarded being toxic in nature highly pollutes the environment.
Which of the following pollutants of the air would affect the capacity of blood in the human bodies to absorb oxygen from the lungs? Is it NO2, SO4, CO and CO2?
Ma'am, CO, that is carbon monoxide, which has a very high affinity towards hemoglobin in blood.
A person lives near a forest and lists 4 items which he can get from forest to meet his daily needs.
Food, fodder, fuel and medicinal plants.
Make a list of few industries that are dependent on forest products.
Ma'am, timber, paper, lac and sports equipments industries.
Why did Amrita Devi Bishnoi sacrifice her life?
In 1731, Amrita Devi Bishnoi, along with 363 other people, sacrificed their life for the protection of khejri trees in Kejrali village near Jodhpur in Rajasthan.
Where was Chipko Andolan started and by whom?
Chipko Andolan was started in Reni village in Garhwal. It was initiated by Gaura Devi.
Suggest some consequences due to the loss of biodiversity.
Loss of biodiversity will lead to ecological crisis. The food chains and food webs will get disturbed and resources will not be available for the future generations.
Large water bodies, that is oceans, are present on the earth, yet there is scarcity of water. Explain.
Ma'am, oceans are the largest bodies of water, but the water present in them is salty and thus cannot be used without processing.
List 2 major benefits of dam.
The 2 major benefits of dams are irrigation and production of electricity.
Mention the names of any 2 dams whose construction faced opposition.
Ma'am, 2 dams whose construction faced opposition are Tehri Dam on the river Ganga and Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada.
To test the level of water quality, study of which parameters can be done.
Ma'am, pH of water, BOD and biological testing.
Is water conservation necessary? Give reason.
Ma'am, the water available on earth is more than enough for all, but due to its uneven distribution, wide seasonal fluctuations in rainfall and poor quality of available water, it is necessary to conserve water.
List 2 measures that you would suggest for the better management of water resources.
Ma'am, 2 measures for better management of water resources are rainwater harvesting and construction of dams.
So I think you are tired of answering the questions. Please rest and prepare for the next science quiz.
Yes, ma'am.